Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is August 30th, and this is your aftermarket update. So we had a losing day here at the Oil Trading Group. We've been on a very nice run here in the month of August, but today was a losing day. When we do have losing days, they look a lot like what you saw happen in here today, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about that. First thing I want to do is I want to show you the ES trade that we got into. We had a little bit of bad luck, or we wouldn't have had a losing day today, and that's kind of what when we get a losing day, this is kind of what it looks like. We were looking here to get long today off the daily structure signal. In fact, we were long at 44 quarter. Market comes down. We had a stop at 2 points at 42 quarter. Market comes down and gives you a double bottom at 42.75. So our entry here was 44 quarter, and we were looking to hang on for that daily structure signal up there at 53 quarter. In fact, we said we were going to come a point down below that to 52 quarter. And the reason that we picked 52 quarter is when you get a little bit closer, sometimes the market, especially the ES, has to retrace before it finishes up. And that's a little bit what you saw here. In fact, you had a quad top at 52.5 up here today, and it fell off from 52.5 down to 50 quarter. So that would have been a little bit of heat, and a lot of times this is what happens when you get close to one of these structure signals. Anyway, it would have been an 8-point target with a 2-point stop, and again, that fits in line with our risk-reward parameters of 2 to 1. However, I get taken out by a single tick on this pullback right here to 46 quarter. So I'm in at 42 quarter. Market pulls up, 44 quarter, market pulls up, comes down, takes me out to the tick, and really never challenges it again as it continues to rally up. So what we look for here is what we call kick the signal and pay the target on their market maker levels, and that's exactly what happened here today. So here is the platform that we actually execute the trades on. That's this T4 platform, and let's see, you can sort of see it here. This blue X represents the entry point. This blue X right here represents the entry point at 44 quarter. That's the daily structure signal. There is the low at 42.75. Here's the rally. There's the pullback at 46.5 that took me out. Popped down one tick and then rallied on up out of that area. So a little bit, like I said, a little bit of bad luck. This is what a bad day will look like. These are the kinds of things that happen to us. And so then today on the ES, I was looking to get the CL. We got short off of the structure mid around 07. The market comes down to 84. We really thought that the market was going to continue the sell-off. And then we got a rally where I took a few stop outs on this rally up trying to get short. Market ultimately comes back down. Right here you have this big long pullback down into 45.90, and I think the market will continue to push to the downside. But at the end of the day, I was on the wrong side of those trades. Now, that's the bad news. You take those together with the win and the couple of losses here, and I will show you this really quickly here. Give me a second. Let me show you this so you can kind of see. All right, so we'll pull this out here. We'll go into today's numbers here, the 30th. Okay, and we go into the detailed area, maybe detailed, and you can see we were down 375. There's the ES trade, 2.25 points, $225, and that was the one ES winner. And our largest loss was a little bit higher than our winner there, and you could see that we had a losing trading day on the day today. That's the bad news. The good news is if you go back here and you take a look here at the month of August, and you can see that we're having a very nice month here in the month of August. So we did have a losing day today. Really could have been a really handsome winning day if you get in. Like I said, we got in down here at the structure signal. If we were able to ride it up here to our target at 52 quarter, then that would have been 8 points or $800, and an $800 trade. The 375 loss would have put us up on the day, but it did not, and so we did end up with that losing day today. And so that's the way it goes sometimes. So that's really it. That's all that I have today. I did want to show you a losing day in here, and that is this was it. So as always, I want to say thank you for spending time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group, and until next time, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.